Understanding the tools. Move tool, used to select and move objects on the page. Click the tool button, then click on any object on the page you wish to move. Marquee selects an object by drawing a rectangle or an ellipse around it. Click the tool button, choose a rectangular or an elliptical marquee. Drag the marquee over the area of the image you wish to select. Lasso selects an object by drawing a freehand border around it. Click the tool button, drag to draw a freehand border around the R of the image you wish to select. Magic wand selects all objects in a document with the same or similar fill color, stroke weight, stroke color, opacity or blending mode. By specifying the color range or tolerance, you can control what the magic wand tool selects. Crop. Click the tool button, then click and drag the tool over the part of the image that you want to keep. Resize the selected area, dragging the squares at the sides and corners. Click the Enter key when your crop box is sized correctly. Eyedropper takes color samples from colors on the page and displays them in the color boxes. Select the tool. Click on the color in the image you wish to sample. The color box will display this color. Healing brush. Select the tool. Hold down the Alt key and left click on the base color you need to heal. Then left click over the blemish. Brush draws brush strokes of different thicknesses and colors. Select the tool. Then click on the selected area. Drag to draw lines. Use the options bar to change the brush mode, opacity and flow. Clone stamp takes a sample of an image and applies over another image, or a part of the same image. Select the tool. Hold down the Alt key and left click on a certain point. Art history brush paints over an image using the source data from a specified history state or snapshot. Select the tool. Specify the brush, blending mode, opacity, style, area and tolerance. Eraser. Select the tool. Click on the part of the image you wish to erase. Drag to erase pixels. Paint bucket applies a color fill to a selected part of the image or to an entire layer. Select a layer you wish to apply the paint bucket to. Click the tool button, click on the starting point, and click the area you wish to fill. Blur. Select an area where you wish to apply the tool. Click the tool button and choose the brush, mode, and strength. Drag the brush along the edges. Path selection. Select the tool. Click anywhere on the path. Type. Select the type tool. Click on the page and begin to type. You can specify the font and size in the options bar. You can also resize and transform the text box by dragging the squares at the sides and corners. Use the Move tool to move the text on the page. Pen. Select the tool. Click on the page and drag to draw a path. Click and drag the anchor points to modify the path. Line shape draws a straight line. Other shapes that are hidden in this tool are rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, and custom shape tool. Select the tool. Click and drag on the page to draw a line. Hand allows you to move around within the image. Select the tool. Click on the spot on the page. Hold the mouse button down. Drag to move in the area. Magnify magnifies or reduces the display of any area in your image window. Select the tool. Choose zoom in or zoom out in the options bar. Click on the area of the image you wish to magnify or reduce. Color boxes. The foreground color appears in the upper color selection box and represents a color that is currently active. The background color appears in the lower box and represents an inactive color. To change the foreground color, click the upper color selection box in the toolbox. To change the background color, click the lower color selection box in the toolbox. To reverse the foreground and background colors, click the Switch Colors icon, the arrow in the toolbox.